Smart Review presents the 5 best warm mist humidifier. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. This warm mist humidifier is a beast. It can provide humidification benefits in rooms up to 600 square feet in size. The surface touch controls are very modern and easy to use. Timer presets are available for up to 8 hours, or you can run this humidifier continuously if you prefer. It also offers intelligent temperature technology so that humidity levels can pair with current room temperatures for the most comfortable experience possible. It also offers a sleep mode so you can have added comfort at night. At number 4. This manufacturer has often worked to innovate the warm mist humidifier to make it more beneficial to user health. The top tray in the humidifier dispersal area, for example, could hold vapor so you can clear out your sinuses effectively. New pads can be inserted into some models. 2 comfort settings are included with this model, and it has a medicine cup for inhalants so you can get a medicated vapor for certain health conditions. It runs for about 12 hours on a tank, and there's a soft light for nighttime use. It's affordable, it works consistently, and it's easy to maintain. All positives for us. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. The issue that so many warm mist humidifiers have lies within their design. A large tank often accompanies a small dispersal mechanism, which makes it easy to expose the heating elements. We didn't have that issue at all with this particular model. It works best for smaller rooms and holds 2.3 gallons of water, but in return you get up to 1 full day of use with every tank fill. There are 2 misting speeds from which to choose, and the top output offers a reasonably good dispersal rate. It performed well for us, and we think it will do the same for you. At number 2. Considering the price of this warm mist humidifier, our expectations for it were rather low. With 2 basic settings and a standard design, we figured it would provide a fairly standard experience. We were wrong. On the lower setting, we got over a day's worth of continuous use out of this model. It improved humidity levels in a large master bedroom just as well as it did in a smaller room. The tank does need some regular maintenance to keep it clean, but that's really the only issue we had with this particular model. It does a great job at a great price. And coming in at number 1 of our list. This warm mist humidifier offers you an ultrasonic experience with a switchable heat function so you can have an ultimate level of customization. Settings for mist flow are a standard 3-level option with low, medium, and high choices. The lowest setting will give you over 2 days of continuous mist. An ion exchange filter does need replacement from time to time, but does a good job of giving you a pure humidity supply. Unincluded timer also gives you up to 12 hours of preset so you can run the humidifier as you need. It's easily one of the best warm mist humidifiers in this category. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching our video. For more